Hello everyone, welcome to my channel of Everything at Home. In my channel, I show stuffs that can be done at home and it can save a lot of money. Those are simple stuffs that you can do it at home instead of going to a professional person. This is my 2016 Vespa and today I'm going to show you how to change the odometer cable. All of a sudden the odometer cable stopped working. As this is my first time doing it, if there is any other better option to change the cable, just leave a comment below. So the first thing that I'll be doing here is opening this bolt right here, taking this cable out. I'm sure it will be a very difficult part of putting the cable through this mud guard, so I'm not sure how to do it, so let's try it. Okay, this is the 8 mm range. Okay, so now I've opened the connection from the wheels. Let's try to open other parts here. Okay, and there is one screw here and another right here. Okay. So the next part here is you need to open the odometer itself, and I'm using a Allen key here to open this. So there are 3 balls, as you can see, 1, 2 and 3. So let's open them. So this is the bearing where the odometer cable usually fits in. Okay, so this is the old cable. I had to break down the tip so that it would come out easily, and here's the new one. So this is how it looks. The locks are there in place. This is the cable. This is how it goes in and locks in this place, and that's how we get the reading. And there is a small metal tube here which spins along with the worm gear that's connected on the wheels. What we are going to do is before we put this in, we will zip tie this edges. It doesn't get stuck somewhere, and I'm sure these are not that strong. Okay, this looks good. This is the part where the disc brake cable passes through, and this is the mud guard, and it's not a straightforward thing. As you can see, this is the metal bar that actually protects the back part of it, and I have to push the cable through this. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I've got a problem here. As I try to move this in through the narrow passage, this actually shifts downwards and it exposes the lugs. So before I do that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap a tape here. It's just a normal electrical tape which will protect it from not slipping downwards. So just 2 times, and then I think this is safe and secured. This is more difficult than I thought. Okay, so this was very difficult part actually, and I was able to get it in from that narrow passage, as you can see there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this upward and pass it through this part and to the odometer region. And okay, so I'm gonna put the camera back and try the process. Okay, so we got it up until here, and let me show you about. Okay, where is it? So now we will try to push this in, and there is another level of difficult part actually. So we will push this. Okay. So now you can see it clearly. So we will push this cable upwards, and if you notice, there is a zip tie kind of a element here. It's right here, and we have to put this through the zip tie so that it does not wiggle. So this is how it looks. We are successful here in passing it through the channel, and now what we're gonna do is, next step, as this is here, we're gonna unwrap this, remove the zip tie which is right here, and connect it to the odometer. But before that, what we will do is we need to connect this back to this worm gear right here. Let's do this. Okay, this is the place where we will need to put this in. As you can see, this is the worm gear right here. So again, it's gone in, and I'm gonna lock this into place. Okay, next is we will just remove this tape. Let's remove this tape properly. Okay, and we will have to cut the zip tie and do a quick test to show you how, if this is working or not. As taped red tape here, and I will spin the front tire, and this should also spin. If it's working, then we are good to go. So let's try this. Let's spin the tire. So I'm spinning the tire. As you can see that this is spinning, so I think we are good to go. Okay. So here we go. We have installed the meter cable. Now we connect everything, and then we can go for a quick drive to check if it's really working. Let's do this. Put the logo back. So guys, looks like the readings are working as expected. So thanks for watching the video, and subscribe for more videos in future, because I'm gonna bring some more videos on modifying this Vespa, and let's see where it takes us. So thanks for watching.